What's up guys, Dave with Fixin' for Fun. Today's video we are finishing up the 4R100 transmission rebuild. We've got to finish disassembling, reassembling the pump, put new seals in that. We've got to put the valve bodies on, put all the little check valves in, and install it. So let's see how it goes. Let's get cracking. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to finish disassembling this. We're going to clean it up perfect, and then we're going to replace these seals and bushings and reinstall everything. Okay, now it's time to reassemble the pump. I'm going to take the seal, nice flat piece of aluminum. Seated nicely. Let's flip it. Next we're going to install the gear pump. There's a little dimple in it that goes up. As per the manual, next thing you need is an alignment strap. This is nothing but a glorified hose clamp. You're going to tighten it up, and all it's going to do is just, this has quite a bit of leeway. It's just going to center it, and then you're going to tighten it. Alright, well the pump's all in. It's all torqued down. Valve bodies are next. All right, guys, so it is the day we're putting the transmission back in the truck. Nice and safe. It's going in there. The real question is, how much confidence do you have in your 7-year-old? Do you think she'll hit the house? We're gonna find out.
6 hours later.
Well, it's running. It's full of fluid. And we're gonna take it for a spin. Does it move? Thank you. I got a parking lot over here. I can't see anything. Reverse works. Let me put up the window. It's pretty cold out.
It worked! It worked!
It's alive and well. We're gonna turn this baby around and we're gonna go try it out tomorrow in the daylight. I got it though. To answer the question, yes, a homeowner can rebuild a transmission. Alright guys, well as you can see the truck is working good. That's the end of the transmission, but it's not the end of the truck. So I've had this about 10 years and she needs quite a bit of neglected maintenance. We're going to fix the front end, a couple little electrical things, some exhaust work, fix the box. But anyways, as always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.